Hello everyone. Welcome to know about secrets of the skinny program. Before you watch the video, make sure you subscribed my channel to know the new product reviews and update. Please watch this video till the end to grab the surprise in it. To get slimmer is what people longing for. Follow simple yet easy exercises, food intake and the diets will keep your body healthy, increases metabolism, burns fat like never before through Secrets of the Skinny ebook. What is Secrets of the Skinny program? The Secret of the Skinny book is a fat-burning system that has a piece set of simple steps and techniques that are meant to make us lazy. It will transform your fat body into a completely skinny tone. It was revealed by the author Jessica, who tried to get rid of accumulated fat in her body. It was experimented on several people and after 178 days the results were shocking that there was a transformation in their body that made them a new person. The author discovered 3 important facts after experimenting. Skinny people do not work hard or exercise more. Skinny people do not starve themselves. Get the right candles to lose weight fast. The program comprises of 107 lazy hack tips to reduce your fat and be a skinny person. These are natural and no side effects involved. We have a separate video for working of Secrets of the Skinny program, visit the video link mentioned in the description. After the long research, we 100% recommend this ebook to you. Click the below discount link mentioned in the description and take the action now. Don't miss this opportunity. Thanks for watching. All the very best.
Yeah.